All right, today we're going to show you how to put a seat cover on a 2024 KX250F. This is the supplies you'll need: staple gun, safety glasses, pliers, a screwdriver to get the old staples out, 1/4-inch staples in case you run out, your new seat cover, and then yeah, we'll get started taking the old cover off. Pretty cool, isn't it? All right, so we have the old cover removed. This is our new one. And you just kind of want to drape it across the seat and make sure everything fits and there's enough length, which should be just fine, but I always like to lay it on there and kind of tighten it up and see where you need to start.